In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to watch videos on Apple Watch SE series. The Apple Watch SE doesn't have a native video player app, but you can still watch short videos in a few ways. I'll show you the easiest way to watch videos. To do that, we have to install the Rest YouTube app. So press the crown to go to your app library. From app library, you have to open the App Store. In App Store, tap on the search icon and search for Rest YouTube. Rest YouTube. And this is the exact app we are going to use. So just install this app on your Apple Watch just like this. Once the app installed, just go ahead and open the app, and here scroll down, tap on got it, and here we can see bunch of different options. If you want to find all trending YouTube videos, you can just tap on trending, you can select discover, or for search for a specific video, tap on search, tap on enter keyword and search for the video. Car video, and then here you get video results from YouTube. Now just tap the video that you want to watch. And we can see now I can easily watch videos from my Apple Watch. Now adjust volume, press this power button to go to your control center. In control center, here you will find this volume. You can just go ahead and adjust your video volume from here. Now again, let's play the video. So that's how you can actually watch videos on our Apple Watch accessories. Thanks for watching.